model, 69 plate Nissan Navara N-Guard 2.3 62K miles non-runner engine Euro 6 VAT Inc. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 62,183. MOT, the 3rd of February 2026. Engine, 2,299 ccys 23E6DA TEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The engine has been removed and stripped. All of the parts are in the back of the pickup. Nothing is missing. Either repair it or put another engine in it. Totally up to you. Either way will be an absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left.